Canva Pro pricing explained what you get for your money. Canva has revolutionized design, making it accessible for everyone, but what exactly does Canva Pro offer for the price? Let's break it down. Canva offers a free plan, which includes access to thousands of templates, basic design tools, and up to ob of cloud storage. It's perfect for individuals or small teams creating social media graphics, presentations, or simple marketing materials. However, many premium templates, images, and features are locked. Canva Pro, the paid plan, unlocks unlimited access to premium templates, stock photos, videos, and graphics. You also get of storage, the magic resize feature, and brand kits to keep colors, fonts, and logos consistent across designs. For example, a social media manager could quickly resize a single Instagram post for multiple platforms in seconds, saving hours of work. Canva Pro also offers advanced collaboration, allowing teams to comment, share, and edit designs seamlessly. Enterprise plans add more features like multiple brand kits, single sign-on authentication, team workflows, and dedicated support. This is ideal for large organizations managing multiple teams or complex design projects. Most people get this wrong. They think Canva Pro is just about templates. The surprising truth is that it streamlines workflow, ensures brand consistency, and accelerates production. You won't believe how much time and effort can be saved when using Canva Pro effectively. In conclusion, Canva Pro provides a cost-effective, feature-rich platform for designers, marketers, and teams. The key is leveraging its templates, brand tools, and collaborative features to maximize productivity. When used strategically, Canva Pro transforms the way individuals and teams create, share, and scale visual content.